So I wake up swollen every day. Like, my lips, my face, everything wakes up swollen. And I kept thinking, like, why does this happen? I'm drinking my water. I try to get my steps in. I'm not pregnant. I try to regulate my sugar intake, but then it hit me like, girl, you've never fully been healthy. What exactly is healthy? How much sugar should go into your body on a daily? And as a woman who's getting older, I know something has changed. So when this Korean wellness company reached out to me, I was just like, okay, this is odd. The motto is getting you back to your original self. And I was so intrigued because it's like, when we were babies, like growing up and everything like that, was our makeup. Nobody knows that. I'm definitely so intrigued to get into supplements. I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. Your original design decoded. Tell me that wouldn't tickle your fancy. So inside it says, is the ritual to return. Comes with this card. First off, packaging on this, they took their time with this. And project name MO1. I don't know, it's giving mysterious, suspenseful. I love it. So when you open this, it has your original design breach. It comes with the different ingredients, why we choose glucose or fatty GR glucose. And if you don't know anything about these different ingredients, the back of it gives you more detail. So if you're new to this wellness journey as I am, definitely look into the cards because that's going to tell you everything you need to know about this brand. This is odd. Before you begin, M1 is not just a supplement, it's a daily ritual, and that's exactly what I need. I don't want to just lose weight. I want to live a healthier lifestyle. I want to be able to incorporate things into my life that just fit in seamlessly. And that's why I want to try this out. So I want to get my gut health together. As I get older, I notice I do not digest things the way that I used to, especially when it comes to sugar. And I don't want to fully just like take away all the things that I love to eat, but I do want to maintain my body so I can go back to my original healthy state. I don't even know when I lost that. This is carefully designed to help your body return to the way it was meant to handle sugar. Oh my God. Talk about a package. We're a community of odd individuals who challenge superficial fixes and misleading information to find genuine wellness. We're odd to be well. That's our anthem. Why aren't we well? We rose with the sun and rested with the stars, and we lived our lives in sync with the rhythms of the earth. First off, imagine getting a package like this. Like, would you not think you've just been invited to the most exclusive group ever? Inside, it has a key. One body, one key. The other odd minds also has their philosophy. We're odd. Not because we're out of place, but because we see wellness differently. Where others chase quick fixes, we decode the truth. Where the world complicates, we simplify. To be odd is to question what's normal. United by one belief. We're odd to be well. Okay, it got me. I am so honored that they chose me to be a part of this group. Original design breach. It gives you a whole bunch of information on what happens when you eat sugar step by step. It comes with 5 days worth of supplements. One supplement comes with the liquid. It's like a lemon flavor. Also has 2 tablets that you take before your biggest meal. Inside this are some cards that you're supposed to use every day. Shuffle for 30 days. For fullness, skip added sugars and refined flour, not from guilt, but from clarity. Amazing. This was just the unboxing. I'm gonna take this for 5 days and then I'm gonna come back and let you guys know exactly how I feel. But thank you so much to Odd for sending me this PR package, and I hope that I am odd to be well.